Free Streamlabs overlay. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm gonna show you some of the free Streamlabs overlay. So watch this video till the very end to know it. So if you're looking for the free Streamlabs overlay, several resources offer high quality designs to enhance your stream. Here are some of the best places to find them. The very first one is the Streamlabs overlay library. Go to this website Streamlabs https://streamlabs.com and the details are like this. The second one is a Stream Element. The website is streamelement.com. In the Stream Element providers free overlays and alerts that can be customized and used in Streamlabs OBS. The third one is own3d.tv. So this is also a very good option for you. And the fourth one is Nord.die. And the fifth one is Visuals by Impulse. And the sixth one is Twitch Overplay, Canva, Behance, Reddit, and many others. So here are all the information and what you can follow, the websites that you can simply search it for that will make you easier to search for it. So by following this, all the steps and all these references that I have provided here, you can simply explore the sources and you can find a variety of free Streamlabs overlays that suit your streaming needs and style. So I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.